Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva for LinkedIn brand content templates step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you do not have a Canva account, click on the sign up button. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to type in LinkedIn brand content templates. Press enter to see the available templates tailored for LinkedIn. Browse through the options to find a template that suits your brand identity. Click on your chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Familiarize yourself with the editing tools on the left side of the screen. To customize the template, click on any text box to edit the text. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment using the options above the canvas. To modify images or graphics, click on the element you wish to change. You can replace images by clicking Uploads on the left sidebar to upload your own images. Drag and drop your images into the template as desired. To adjust colors throughout the template, select the element you want to change and choose a new color from the color picker. If you want to add new elements, click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. You can find shapes, lines, icons, and illustrations to enhance your design. To add your brand logo, click Uploads and upload your logo file. Drag the logo onto your design and resize it as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Click the Download button again to save your template to your computer. Now you have customized LinkedIn brand content templates ready to showcase your brand. You can easily share them or schedule posts directly on LinkedIn. Repeat these steps for any additional templates or designs you want to create. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.